Hey everybody, welcome to the Cricket Chronicles and the top 25 super cool tricks to teach your dog. Your hostess today will be Biscuit, our Sheltie pup, who just turned 1.
Hi guys!
If you have not yet, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell. And if you really enjoy the crazy antics of Cricket and Biscuit here, then consider supporting them on Patreon. We'll put the link right down there. Just like these amazing patrons right here. We couldn't do it without our patrons.
Thank you, patrons! We loves you!
Now, today's video is part 2 of Biscuit's 75 trick compilation. If you missed part 1, we'll put the link here. Biscuit's showing me where. Biscuit has now perfected 75 tricks and is working on another 7. She hasn't perfected those ones yet.
Don't see that!
At the end of the video, we'll show you some highlights from her next 25 amazing tricks.
Enough talking! On with the show!
Peekaboo. Time out. Come on. Biscuit. Well, it's a little bit attitude. Biscuit. Time out. The sword. It's a foam sword, as you can see, but very realistic. Biscuit, you ready to jump the sword? You ready? Over. Good girl. Ready? And over. And under. Oh, good girl. Under. Good girl. Back up. Come on. Back up. Let's go. Back up. Come on. Back up. Back up some more. Back up. Stop. Wait. Ready? Wait. Around. Around. Middle. Middle. Little bonus trick. Side. And heel. Biscuit, are you sad? Good girl. Are you sad? Are you sad? You're pretty sad. Touch. Good girl. Touch. Find it. Touch. Target can be anything. We're just using a little plastic cap. Biscuit. Target. Hup. Good girl. Ready? Hup. 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 Ready? And hup. Hup. And hup. Come on, get in your box. Get in. Good job. Get First step in the 3-card trick is to blindfold the puppy so she can't see. We are going to get her to try to find this card. Too easy. Now we're going to switch position. Good girl. Now we're going to mix them up in random. Which one? This one? Oh, good girl. Suitcase. Suitcase. Come on, get in. Get in your suitcase. Get in. Hi. Get in your suitcase. Get in. Get in. Come on, suitcase. Question? Oh, good girl. Biscuit, question? Question? Oh, you do have a question. Okay. Can you do me a favor? Turn it off. Get in the car. Get in. Open. Get in the car. Biscuit, open. Go open. Open the fridge. Come on, open. Good girl. Well, hey, close it. Wait. Oh, wait. Good girl. Wait. Feet up. Feet up. Let's go. Feet up. You missed a foot. Feet up. Okay, feet up. Close it. Come on, close it. Close it. Close it. Let's go. Close it. Good girl. Go close it or close it. Come on, close it. Close it. Good enough. Good puppy. Biscuit. Sleepy time. Sleepy time. Second attempt. Sleepy time. Sleepy time. Sleepy time. Sleepy time. Sleepy time. Take your stuffy to bed if you want. Right, go. Good girl. Right there. Come on. Come on. Blindfolded doggy, magic card, 2 decoys, and Biscuit, you ready? Get the card. Go get it. Get the card. Get the Biscuit. Get the card. Biscuit, you got the card. Wow. And you get a treat. There you go. Good puppy. It's you. Good puppy. There you go, folks. The top 25 super cool tricks to teach your little brainiac. And here's a sneak peek at some of the tricks to come in her next trick video. Cross. That's better. Biscuit, close the drawer. Nice. Play a little bit more. A few people have also asked about videos on how we trained Biscuit. Those are in the works. We've already shot our very first one. So those are coming. All right, so stay tuned, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.